Welcome to Conquer River and Farm. I want to thank all my subscribers. We really appreciate you, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we are clearing the land all by ourselves using machetes. This is how it is looking before we start clearing the land. So if you look around, you'll see the grass is all grown. So we'll be weeding our plantains, cassavas, and yams. We are getting rain, so the grass is growing very fast, and the worst part is there are cows eating the crops. If you look closely at the plantain leaves, you can see where it's eaten. Trust me, it is so frustrating to be growing your crops and animals barge in and consume. You talk to the owners, some will listen and don't do it again, but you have some who don't care. But we are not giving up. We are working towards getting the property fenced up again. It's just God and time. I love plants, especially flowers, so I'll be planting some flowers as well along the driveway to make the farm even more beautiful. Here are the cassava, a few gungo trees, and yams. So stay tuned and watch the process. Watch how a Jamaican country girl, her brother, and mother use machetes to clear their farm. So here we have cleared a portion of the land and we light some fire to help ward off the mosquitoes. I have the flowers here to plant out. My brother molds the plantain roots as we weed through. Molding in agriculture refers to the practice of shaping soil Our farming soil often to encourage growth conditions are increase crop yields, improve drainage, root development, prevent waterlogging, and enhance soil temperature regulation. Here are the flowers after I plant and water them. See how lovely it's looking now that some of the land is cleared and raked. I also plant some sorrels between the plantains. Yes, man, because Christmas is right around the corner. Can you believe it, guys? It's just the other day we said Happy New Year, and we're already in the month of August, and by you quint, we are in December and it's Christmas.
One mistake is all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time, this time. Oh, why do I fall for it every time? I'd do anything to keep you mine. So just call my name, tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay? And I'll play your games as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Can't forgiveness meant what we've done, a chance to rebuild what was won, with honesty guiding my stride this time. Now just call.
I have to give a big shout out to Mama Universe for giving us the strength to do this and for always guiding and protecting us. And you, our viewers, thank you so much for watching, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Have a great and safe rest of the week. See you in the next video. Bye for now.